Good morning, y'all. I didn't do a lot of filming last night, but I am going to show you my camp. There's the hawk. Before there was a Tiffany Outdoors, there was Tiffany the farmer.
Follow U-turn when possible.
No, we're not U-turning.
Hi. Hi, what are you doing? Hi, baby. What?
We got 4-person tent here. Got our camp shower there, and I bought a screen tent. We have that over the picnic table. And there's Tony's pop-up and my truck. Let's walk down to the beach for a little bit. It was a good night. It was a good night. Joe and I now want to look into getting campers now, so we'll see about that. But let's take a quick morning walk before I start cooking breakfast. Got eggs, sausage, and some biscuits. We'll see how that goes. But let's take a quick morning walk. Got to show you guys River on her little camp bed. On her little camp bed. I did a video on that. I'll also link that video in the description below. Got some food cooking here. Biscuits in a pan. Who thought that was a good idea? Got biscuits. Burning biscuits in the pan. Sausage over there. Got eggs in there.
Rest here.
Oh yeah, that was neat. Look at River's little paw prints. Oh, it's so cute. Look at that, jellyfish.